Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how I moisturize my hair for the start of the week. And if you guys like what you see, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. So let's get into this video. Right here, I just have deep conditioner mixed with some oils in my hair. And in this next clip, you're gonna see where I actually rinsed out the deep conditioner, and there's just a whole bunch of water dripping down my back. I like to start off with soaking wet hair because it is easier for my product to absorb into my hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and section my hair off. Since it's cold out, I find that my hair likes it best when I layer on products from lightweight to a thicker product. So you'll see me use different products throughout this video. So the first product that I'm going to be using is the Paul Mitchell The Conditioner, because this product is lightweight, but at the same time my hair absorbs it very easily. I like to start by applying the product on the ends of my hair and working it up to the top, because the ends are the oldest part of my hair and it requires a lot more moisture. I also like to smash in the product because I find that it helps to absorb the product better. So once I'm done with that section, I'm going ahead and let down another section, and I'm going to apply the same product that I applied on the first section to this section and the remainder of my hair. And the reason why I do this instead of going in with the second product is because I like to give my hair time to actually absorb the product. That way, if my hair is a bit drier, I can go back and apply more product as needed. So here I'm just on the other half of my head and I'm applying the same exact product, the conditioner, on this side of my hair before I move in with the second product. Now I'm going to be going in with the Garnier Whole Blend Smoothing Leave-In Conditioner, and I'm going to apply the exact same way as I applied the Paul Mitchell The Conditioner. Normally I like to go in with a butter of some sort or like a smoothie product, but I'm running low on a lot of hair products, so this was actually the thickest product that I actually had on hand to actually layer my products. Since I've applied all of my leave-ins, the last and most important step to me is to apply some type of oil to seal in all of that moisture. And depending on how I actually style my hair for the week will depend on if I have to re-moisturize my hair throughout the week or not. So my oil of choice that I will be choosing today will be the Jamaican Black Castor Oil with rosemary in it. So for this week, I really didn't have an idea of how I wanted to style my hair. So I just basically threw a whole bunch of different products in my hair, styling products in my hair, and I came up with a wash and go, fluffy-ish wash and go, but you guys will see. So I'm just gonna speed through this part. Oh, and by the way, if this is not how I do my wash and goes, I actually have a different way of how I style my wash and goes and get my hair defined or fluffy. This was just something that I needed to do quickly so I would actually be able to dry my hair with a diffuser instead of letting it air dry. Hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!